Welcome everyone to Magnetic Automation and Learning. Today's agenda is how to find and print all links using find elements method in Selenium WebDriver. Before proceeding, if you did not subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe and like this video if you like it. Agenda of this session is very first thing we'll see what is links. Second thing that we'll see what is find elements method and when to use it. Next thing, I will get and print the size of available links on the web page. Next thing that we'll see, printing all the available links in console. Okay, so let's start our Eclipse and see the practically everything. So I will start my Eclipse. Okay, so in Eclipse, very first thing that we are going to see, what do you mean by links? I will open my Chrome browser and in one URL that is newtools.demut.com. So we will see everything practically. Here you can see we have sign on, register and support. So whenever you are moving your mouse over these options, your mouse is getting converted in hand. That means these are the links. If you click on register, so it is moving on another page. Links are used for what purpose? Connecting two pages. If you do inspection, you will get little more idea. See, I did inspection here. What I'm getting here, it is starting with the tag name as what A, and it has what some href. After clicking, it has to move on some other page. That page URL is mentioned here, and sign on is the text that is visible to us. Fine. And every links is going to have the tag name as A. Always you can see every link is have the tag name as what? A always. Fine. So what is the links? Links are having always tag as A, and these are used to connect two pages. Fine. So these are the links. Now next thing that we'll do, we'll start our browser and open the URL. By using system property, I need to set the path of my executable driver. So system dot set property webdriver.chrome.driver. If you want to start a Chrome browser, and here in the value you need to pass the path of your executable Chrome driver. So where is my executable Chrome driver? It is on desktop, Celljar. Okay, I will copy the path. I will paste the path here and mention Chrome driver.exe. Fine. Now, how to start Chrome? I need to pass the reference of WebDriver. Driver equals to new Chrome driver. I need to import WebDriver and Chrome driver from Selenium package. Fine. Okay. Now I will open the URL driver.get new tools.demoaut.com. Fine. Next thing that we are going to discuss, okay, what is the difference between find element and find element? Then you are going to use the find element. Okay, so working with the single object, and find elements used for what purpose? Working with the multiple object having some common property. Okay, so in our case, the common properties here is what? Tag name. So since all the links is going to have the tag name as A, so with the help of what tag name, I am going to group them. Okay, I am going to group them. So how to group them? Using find elements driver dot find elements, and you can see the return type of find elements is a list of web element. So it's very similar to array, and here you need to pass by which property you are going to make the list. By tag name. Tag name is what here? A. So I will store into list. If it is going to return list, so you need to store into the list as well. List of which type? Web element type. ls. This is the ls is the name of the list. I need to import the list from Java util, you will get two options, Java AWT and Java utils. You need to select the Java utils. Java AWT is used in development of desktop application. So currently we are not developing any desktop application. So we will select Java util, and web element from Selenium package need to import. So this line is responsible for what? Getting all available links and storing into the LS. Okay, and LS is of which type? LS is of what? List of web element type. Fine. Now I want to print the available size of links. So how to do that? ls dot size is a function which will return all the available links. Fine. So I will store into a variable of int type since it returns integer. Okay, so I will have one variable sz here. After this I will have print statement syso total links available plus sz. Let's run it whether it's printing all the available links or not. Let's see in the console. Total links available 16. So I'm getting the desired outcome. Currently we have just printed the size. Now we are going to print the all the links in the console. How to do that? I will use for loop int I equals to 0. Okay, since indexing in array and list both start with the 0, so I will have the int I equals to 0, I less than how much? sz and I plus plus. I will have the CISO statement here. From list ls dot get I. Get I, first time i's value will be 0, next time 1, 2, 3 respectively. And after getting the value from list, which function you are going to call? You are going to call get text function, which is responsible for what? Getting the text of the link. Let's run it. It should print all the available links as well. Let's go in the console whether I am getting all the links or not. Yes, I am getting all the links. I can print the number along with this also. So how to do that? CISO I plus 1. Since i's value start with the 0, so I will do plus 1 so that it should start with the 1 during printing only. Fine. And I will remove this ln for printing in the same line. Okay. And one space also. Let's run it. Go in console and check. Yes, first link is what? Home. Second is what? Flight. If I little enlarge this, you will be getting IDF. Okay, 1 to 16. You are getting the all available links on newtools.demo80.com. Fine. Fine. If you want to click on the second object, then also it is possible to click from list, get the second object. Second means here third it will be, and click on that. It is possible to click as well. Let's run it. So it has clicked on third option, and here you are getting this is what under construction. Okay. So we have seen what is links. Then we have what seen difference between find elements and find element. Then we have captured all the available links with the help of this find elements. Then we have printed the size of all available links. Then we have printed the all the links. That's all for this video. Thank you for listening us. Have a great day. Bye everyone.